According to Nur Khalifah et al., patient satisfaction cannot be separated from the performance of nurses in providing nursing care. This is because nurses in terms of quantity are the largest number of personnel in the hospital, amount to 60.55%. Ministry of Health 2010. The large number of nurses in the hospital quantity must be accompanied by quality work. Nurse performance can be assessed in the several components. Nur Salam et al. 2020. Nurse performance evaluation is formal system structure in evaluating nurse performance in the past and the present period. However, its implementation in health service facilities still has many shortcomings. The problem of nurse performance appraisal is the existence of unstructured supervision and the result remains subjective. Damayanti 2020. This is the table of the nursing performance in Indonesia. Average 50% from 2030 until 2015. The improvement in the efficient and effective of staff as the most important organization asset is possible through their performance appraisal. The use of smartphone by nurses is a relatively new phenomenon, and perhaps in the near future there will be newer innovative approaches that nurses can exploit by using these tools to further improve their performance of providing care to their patient. The electronic nurse note system application can be applied by nurses to support the performance of nurses in providing nursing care in hospital and become a reference in the use digital nursing as an effort to develop the self-potential so that they can carry out nursing service professionally. A good nurse performance is the hope of all patients. Performance is the result of work in quality and quantity achieved in carrying out the tasks and responsibilities assigned to it. Nurse performance is measured from the service provided to patients so that the patient feels satisfied or dissatisfied. Problem of statement: the performance of nurse in Indonesia is still low. Research by Murjana et al. At Bayangkara Hospital, Pekanbaru report low nurse performance of 53.4%. And in Surabaya Hospital also shows that the low performance of nurse by 50%. Meanwhile, research conducted by Murjana et al. At Hanafi Muara Bungo Jambi Hospital also showed that the performance nurse is the poor category was 47.6%. And the problems of clinical nurse performance appraisal: contextual problem, problem related to performance appraisal structure, problem related to performance appraisal process, a problem related to performance appraisal result. Significance of study: this shows that performance is an important element for leadership to pay attention to so the quality of nursing service provided can be provided. Monitoring the satisfaction of hospital health service can use Google application on smartphone with the advantage of real-time data, less paper, and not tied to location. With an electronic survey, it showed that the nurse satisfaction is improving the performance of nurse, the quality of service in general. Performance evaluation is essential to provide rewards, promotion, and career development in functional position. What and how to prepare according to the procedure requires a performance appraisal system that supports career development in functional position for the achievement of quality nursing service in accordance with the vision, mission, and goals of the hospital. The benefit of performance appraisal can be used to improve work process, work in performance, increase competition, see the need to conduct skill training, and evaluate work result with primitive standard. This use required the performance appraisal be able to provide an accurate and objective picture of employee performance. General objective: this study aims to determine the effect of smartphone application, logbook performance appraisal, and self-assessment to improving nurse performance. specific objective to determine the effectiveness of smartphone application, logbook performance appraisal to improving nurse performance, and the second is to determine the effectiveness of self-assessment to improving nurse performance. Research question: is the smartphone application and self-assessment effect to improving nurse performance? Research hypothesis. Hypothesis alpha 1 is there is an impact of smartphone application to improving nurse performance, and the second hypothesis is there is an impact of self-assessment to improving nurse performance. IV smartphone application, and IV2 is self-assessment, and DV is nursing performance. Conceptual framework: performance appraisal application and self-assessment can improving nursing performance. Nursing performance is the ability and skill related to the job description of nurse based on the 5 standard process of nursing care. A performance appraisal is good and trustworthy tool for a leader to be able to counter employees and affect work productivity. Performance appraisal is a process to see and adjust one's work in organization using a performance appraisal instrument. Smartphone-based self-management intervention appear to have beneficial effect on self-efficacy and improving nurse performance, self-care activity, and health-relevant outcome for patients. However, more research with good study design is needed to evaluate the effectiveness of self-care intervention in improving the performance of smartphone-based nurses. The benefit of performance appraisal can be used to improve. I think same with the before. And theoretical framework: nursing performance influence of by named individual, by organization, and by psychology of the nurses. Research methodology: research design is quasi-experiment design, and this population was nurses who working in the hospital. There are about 334 nurses. The sample is all staff nurses at the all unit in the public hospital who have been working for at least 1 year, with total number about 100 staff nurses, and all nurses managers at all unit in the hospital who have been working for at least 1 year, with total number about 50 nurse manager. The sampling with application, I'm so sorry about the ROAS application, 50 nurses. And sampling technique is convenient sampling. Questionnaire, we use nurse performance appraisal, and questionnaire appraisal performance NHS knowledge and skill, and the questionnaire self-assessment we use nurse competence scale or NCS. This is the example of the questionnaire performance appraisal and nursing performance. Okay, and then the statistical method. The type of analysis is univariate to describe demographic and clinical information and dependent variable, and we use bivariate to measure the difference between pre and post test result of dependent variable in intervention, and we use a parity test to measure the difference between pre and post test result of dependent variable in control group, and we use a general linear mixed model or multivariate to evaluating the effect of the application smartphone system on nursing performance. That's all. Thank you. Yes, Prof. You're welcome. Thank you, Prof. Okay, Prof. Okay. General objective classes. Yes. Contact. Yes. Logbook performance. Yes. Okay, Prof. Okay, Prof. Tak ada. No. Yes, Prof. Specific objective. Yes. 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 So many. Objective. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Prof. I'm so confused, Prof. Objective. Specific objective analysis. Okay, Prof. Thank you, Prof. Research question. Okay, Prof. Hypothesis. Okay, Prof. Thank you, Prof. Affidavit. Yes, the smartphone. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, Prof. Yes. 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 Okay. Okay. Only one hospital. One hospital. Yes. One public hospital. Yes. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Yes. Yeah. Question up, Prof. Yes. In English, Prof. Yes. Translate. Yes. Yes. I have to translate. To lembaga bahasa in one university. Yes. Yes. With my team, because before I have done make one application to anatomy subject. I make with my team to improve the anatomy learning. Kami sudah mengembangkan aplikasi untuk anatomi, sehingga ini akan kami lanjutkan pembuatan aplikasi. Lecture in my college too. Nursing and IT